Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to lock folder on Windows 11. And for this, first we click here on our files and then we go to my YouTube eye, and then we have the screenshot right here that I want to hide. Then what we need to do is create a folder, so new folder, and we call this top secret. Then put this picture right here in this file, open this folder, and then from now we need to do the right mouse, go to new, and then add a text document. Right now call it something like help, name doesn't matter. Open this, and right now paste this exactly here in this text folder. I will put this in the description, but right now what we need to change is the next thing. We need to change here your password. So select your password and create a password that you want to use. Let's say 2000. Then what we need to do now is click here on File, Save As. And right now we need to save this file. So let's say log. But don't forget to add .bat behind it and make sure that you save this as all files. So right now we do save, click this away. And now you see this little icon right here. We can delete the text right there. And right now what we need to do is we need to click on this. And here is a nice folder that says private. Now we need to put this picture in this private folder. And right now if we double click here on lock, he asks us, are you sure to lock this folder? You will do Y, then do enter. And right now our folder is gone. So right now what you need to do if you want to get it back is double click here on this icon, enter password to unlock your secure folder, then do enter. And right now it's back. This is literally how easy it is, guys. And if you want to put the lock back on it, double click on it and then do again Y. And then the files are gone. So this is exactly how you can lock your folder on Windows 11. Hopefully I could help you out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.